A+ Carpet and Flooring is just a family business, a local family business that really cares about their customers, and they make sure you know it. My parents recommended them, and I had them come up and refinish the hardwood floors in my home while I was renovating it, as well as put in a luxury vinyl tile in my bathroom and new carpet in my basement. I absolutely love walking in and seeing my floors. The hardwoods are beautiful. They did a great job of toothing in areas that needed hardwood added. It's completely seamless, you can't tell. Work on trying to keep the floors a little bit cleaner because they're so nice. Working with the people at A+ was great. They're a group of people that really care about the customer. I'd recommend A+ Carpet and Flooring to anybody looking for flooring because they do a quality job at a great price. The first time when I was looking on the internet, looked through a ton of different flooring people until my parents just said, hey, you should give Eric a call over at A+. Came in and immediately saw all the different samples of all the different types of flooring that I needed, and it was just one-stop shop. Could walk in, get everything done, and they set up everything and it ran smoothly. If I had to describe my experience with A+ in one word, it would be pleasurable, because the entire process was a pleasure. It was easy, simple, and very cost-effective for my project.